9 raised to power s plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 14. What is the value of s? We have our given equation, 9 raised to power s plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 14. Now, remember, if you have a raised to power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Now we have 9 raised to power s multiplied by 9 raised to power 2 plus 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power s multiplied by 9 raised to power 1 is equal to 14. Now, 9 raised to power x multiplied by 9 square, that is 81, plus here is 5 and this is 9. 9 raised to power 1 is 9. 9 times 5, this is 45. Then we have 9 raised to power s multiplied by 45 is equal to 14. Now 9 raised to power s is common here. This is 9 raised to power s and this is 9 raised to power s. Let's factor it out. We have 9 raised to power x into 81 plus 45 is equal to 14. Now we have 9 raised to power s into 81 plus 45, that is 126 is equal to 14. Now 9 raised to power s into, let's divide both sides by 126. 126 over 126 is equal to 14 divided by 126. This one will cancel this. Now 14 here 1, 14 here 9. We have 9 raised to power s is equal to 1 divided by 9. And note that if you have 1 over a is the same thing as a raised to power minus 1. Now 9 raised to power s is equal to 9 raised to power minus 1. They have the same base, therefore we work with exponents. S is equal to minus 1. That is our final answer. Let's check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. 9 raised to power s plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 14. Now at s is equal to minus 1, we have 9 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 must be equal to 14. Let's see. Now 9 raised to power minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, plus 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Let's see if it's going to equal to 14. 9 here, 9 raised to power 1 is 9 plus, this is 5 multiplied by 9 raised to power 0 is 1. We have 5 times 1. Let's see if equal to 14. Then here is 9 plus 5, that is 14, which is equal to 14, meaning that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to minus 1.